Dad, I will do my best to take care of you.
Remember, don't push yourself too hard.
I'm gonna collect scrap now, Dad. This place should have plenty of things. Keep going. Keep going. Oh. I'm so hungry. He looks so hungry. Poor Munchkin Kitty. Here, have some bread. Thank you all so much. I've got energy now. Let's keep going. I filled the whole bag today. Dad, what's that? A race car abandoned? Are you still alive? Please! Help me! From now on, we go together! Please weigh this for me. 1 loaf of bread for my dad, please.
This is delicious. I'm feeling stronger now.
Dad! I found this car!
Let me see how the engine looks. It's badly dammeled, but I can fix it.
I'm alive again.
You have to look super handsome. Thank you. You're amazing, MC Queen. What's this? A race with a big prize? Yeah. MC Queen! What if we joined the race? I'd like to register for the race, please. Driver name, Munchkin Cat. Hello, everyone.
I will win for sure. Ready! Start! Hold on tight!
Let's blind you for good.
It's okay, stay calm!
Sorry about that.
I did it, Dad. Everyone, here's the bread. You're so kind.
This house is beautiful, my child. From now on, Dad, you won't suffer anymore. Wait.
This car must be mine.
Let's go. We'll find it here.
MC Queen, where are you?
Find it. I can't find it. Anywhere.
Officer! My car has been stolen!
Can anyone hear me?
Is rising.
Destroy everything.
MC Queen, where are you?
Oh my gosh! That red car is a monster!
No, that's my MC Queen! McQueen! Wait for me!
MC Queen. Remember, it's me.
Who am I?
I'm back.
Thank you, little one.
Thank goodness you're safe!
Let's go, my friend!
Today, I must win this race no matter what. MC Queen, we trained so hard. Let's show them our true power. I'm a little nervous, but I won't let Dad down.
This race is mine. That kitten and the sheep don't stand a chance.
I've prepared some special tricks for today's race.
I may look cute, but I will give this race everything I've got. Please, Wheels, don't slip today. I really want to finish this race.
Deep breath. 3 racers, 1 winner. Let's go! MC Queen, stay steady. We start strong and stay focused. Whoa! They are so fast, but I can still keep up.
Perfect distance. Time to use my little surprise.
Look at them, chasing me. Let's make the road a little slippery. Slime mode, activate. Let's see how you handle this, little kitten and fluffy sheep.
Whoa! The road is super slippery. Hold up, MC Queen. Easy, steady. We won't spin out. Just keep the wheels straight. No! My tires can't grip the road. I can't steer. My car is breaking down.
I'm out of the race. Good luck, Munchkin. You can still win. Since slime wasn't enough, let's blind you with colors. Try racing when you can't even see the road.
I can't see anything, but I won't slow down now. MC Queen, use the airflow system. Blow this rainbow fog away. There you are, cheater. I'm right behind you.
What? How did that tiny kitten get in front of me?
You like colorful smoke so much? Enjoy mine. I can't see. Where is the truck? No, my car. I can't continue like this.
The race is over for me. That kitten outsmarted me.
We did it, MC Queen. We really did it. I'm so proud of you, my little champion.
Thank you, everyone. This victory belongs to me, my dad, and MC Queen.
We should celebrate this victory with something special.
not just cake.
Dad, let's go on a trip. Just you, me, and MC Queen.
That sounds perfect. Let's drive somewhere beautiful, like a sunny beach. This feels amazing, Dad. No racing today, just freedom.
Look at all these views, son. Winning is great, but these moments together are even better.
I wish every day could be like this. Just driving with you. We're here, Hawaii.
Let's relax and enjoy the ocean.
Wow, it's even more beautiful than I imagined. This sand feels so soft. I want to run all day. Look at this shell. I'll keep it as a memory of this trip.
Maybe we parked too close to the water. MC Queen.
No! The ocean is taking you away. I can't reach you. Please, come back, MC Queen.
What is this strange red fish in my ocean?
Delicious and shiny. What is happening to me? My body feels different.
I am stronger, faster, and I can walk on land.
Oops, I didn't mean to break that, but this is kind of fun.
Attention! A giant shark car creature has appeared near the beach. Please stay indoors.
Dad! MC Queen is gone, and something big is attacking the city!
I can't find our car anywhere. Did that creature and MC Queen become one? MC Queen, please, don't hurt anyone. I know you're still good inside.
Let's tell the police everything. They can help us find MC Queen.
Officer, our car turned into a shark monster. Please, help us bring MC Queen back.
We will broadcast this right away. If the shark car appears, everyone will know.
If they show it on TV, we can prove that monster is actually our MC Queen.
A strange shark car creature is now surrounded by police near the harbor.
Giant shark car, stop moving! You are surrounded!
Why is everyone afraid of me? I didn't want to be a monster.
Hold still!
We're taking you to the science lab to figure this out.
Stay strong, son. We'll get McQueen back, I promise. This creature's energy is split between a shark and a racing car. We might be able to separate them. I can feel it. McQueen and the shark pulling apart!
We did it! The car and the shark are now separate again. Welcome back, MC Queen. Let's go home and no more crazy magic oceans, okay?